Yo, what's good, everybody? It's me, Connor, back here with another video. And as you can see, we got two giant packages in the mail. Let's take this knife right here and let's cut this box right open, just like this. Oh, would you imagine that? There's another box in here. And if you guys can read that, it says Scar. And we got to open this one as well. So I'm going to leave these closed until I open both of them at the same time. These are the SVR 12D4. Let's cut this open. Just like this. Gotta be careful. We don't want to cut ourselves like I just did right there. And another fucking box. Jesus Christ. Because it's in another fucking box. Let's pop this one open. This one open. This one open. You got the user manual. Obviously got a Scar sticker, but I don't need that. Let's pop this cover off. And there it is. Oh. There is the Scar 12-inch subwoofer. As you can see, it has a very thick magnet on the back. It's decently heavy, as you can see. Has a nice cone. Has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a dual voice coil at 4 ohms, but I am going to be running these at 1 ohm. Let's pop this one open if I can. Can't even get underneath this one. Let's pop this one open. I will say they packaged these very well. There's a lot of fucking boxes. A lot of them might not be needed. Give you thick foam. We got 1. And we got 2. I am going to be running these at 1 ohm to get the max power out of them. These are 1600 watt max power, so the RMS is 800 watt. So this is 1600 watts in 212s right here. So how I'm going to wire them, since this is a sealed box, is I'm going to wire them negative to negative, positive to positive, 1 negative out, 1 positive out on both. Then I'm going to connect them and meet, or just meet at the amp. I'm not going to connect them. I'm just going to do positive to positive, negative to negative, and then wire it straight to the amp and then to the amp. It's a mono block, but it has 2 channels or 4 channels. So 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive. It bridges it at the amp. So that means it'll go from a 4 ohm down to a 1 ohm. We're going to have a negative to a negative. And I'm just spinning this off. That might be a little long, but for now we're good. Pick this one up. Hook that right to there. Cut it off about right And you take it, put this one in there, spin your wire, put it in that one, and there you go. Now you just got to run one from the positive, one from the negative, out. So change of plans. I have to go get 12 gauge wire because the 8 gauge wire is too thick. I gotta go run to Walmart real quick and get 12 gauge wire. So it's about to start pouring, but that's fine. What we're going to do is do this properly. And by properly, I mean pre-drill the holes for the screws before I put the screws in. You guys might hear a little bit of heavy breathing for a little second until I can fully get this box all the way in, because there's nowhere. Oh, maybe it does just slide in. We might be good. This is a small box for back here. This whole thing moves, I gotta fix. So I'm gonna try it facing forward, and then I'm gonna flip it and face it up. I don't know which way I wanna run it yet. This, I am gonna wire loom this. Black goes to black, obviously. Red goes to red, obviously. And this is all gonna be wire loomed. I'm gonna come down. So like I said, this will be wire loomed. So you're not even gonna be able to see it once it's wire loomed. I'm just working on the other side right now. I'm not gonna lie, this is the one reason why I hate YouTube. I might just play normal, non-copyright bass, like to test bass tests, because I can't even play real songs on YouTube without getting copyrighted. This one is negative and this one is positive. I'm gonna move you guys to the other side and wire it. All I'm doing is pulling the wire up, splicing it back. Screwing this back in. Make sure it's snug, and like I said, the reason why I'm running 4 wires is because this this connects at the amp. So these 2 positives connect, these 2 negatives connect. It's just easier to run multiple subs like this with multiple inputs instead of 2 inputs trying to put big wire or multiple wires into them. Tight. That'll look looks pretty good. Going into the connections look good. So there is a break-in period for these subs, but I just tried them, and holy fuck, it rattles your fucking teeth. Just not even at max, like just a little tick up, because you got to break them in. I'm just ready for full volume, but that takes a little bit to break them in. So like I said, I can't post any audio clips on YouTube because of copyright, but I can post them on my TikTok. So I will be posting them on my TikTok. It is that_F150, just like the YouTube. Go make sure you follow that, go check it out. And I want to make a huge statement. Please break in your subs. Please. That's why my 8s broke, because I never broke them in, I just played them. Because I didn't know. But please break in your subs. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that post notifications button. Tell me what else I should do to the back. See you guys in the next video. Peace.